and welcome to the walkthrough of the movie tracker. This template is perfect for movie lovers who want to organize their watch list, keep track of their favorite films, and discover their next great movie. With this streamlined tracker, you can log every movie you've watched and add recommendations all in one easy to use template. Let's dive in and explore its features. First, let's look at the movie tracking page. This is where you can log every movie you've watched, add details like the genre, your personal rating, and any notes, such as a standout scene or your favorite quotes. It's a great way to create a detailed and personal record of your movie journey. Next, we have the recommendations page. This is your go-to spot for organizing suggestions from friends, family, or online sources. Easily add new recommendations, prioritize what to watch next, and keep your list fresh with new options. This template also comes with a database, so you can view and organize all your entries in one place. That's a quick overview of the movie tracker. With this template, you can streamline your movie watching experience, organize your favorites, and always have your next film lined up. The all-in-one Notion template is fully customizable, quick to set up, and comes with a lifetime of updates and of course customer support when you need it. You can find the link to this template in the description down below and on our website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and explore our other templates as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.